Hey loves, on today's video watch me transform myself from this to this, and subscribe if you haven't, so stay tuned. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? On today's video I'm going to be reviewing some products. The product was given to me by a friend. Is Vee Beauty line, the powder. This is a powder, Alabama powder. This is the name of the powder. So I'm going to be trying this product on my face to see how it's going to be so effective. So guys, before using it on the clients, this video is not being sponsored by Alabama because it gave me at the discount rate, so that's why I'm just trying to review the product for her. So guys, keep on watching. So I went straight into this video by cleansing my face with this Adventure Micellar water. I got this also in a store. This is really super. This is it. Actually, I've been using it and I love the effect it's giving. Either you are using it under the makeup, you want to use it ordinarily, it's a very good moisturizer to use. Just taking it small out of it. So before you apply your makeup, you really need to moisturize your skin in order to give the rest of your makeup a very good base. Always make sure that each product you're applying on your face, you allow it to stay for like a minute to get firm into your skin before you go ahead and apply another thing. I'll be using this vitamin C by Roushun. Most of the time when I'm to do makeup, when I'm to make up on myself, I always love to apply my sunscreen. So I'm using this Estelin Sunscreen. So next, after that, I'm going to go into priming my skin by using this Adventure Face Primer. And for the blending of foundation, I'm going to be mixing this Maybelline Super Stain and Vee Beauty foundation together. I'm going to be spraying it with this Just Gold spray. After that, I'm going to start using this beauty spot by Vee Beauty to blend it in. Next, I went into the cream blush by using this Art Sun Goddess. It consists of both the highlighter and the blush in the palette. To be using my beauty sponge again, just to blend it in. There's something I noticed about this blush. This is just too creamy. It's lightweight. Concealer, Adventure Concealer in shade Karachi. That's what I'm going to be using to highlight the inner corner and the outer corner of my under eye area. So after applying this, I'm going to wait a bit for it to stay a bit tacky on my face, blending it. The same part that I used to blend the foundation, I'm going to go into it. Then before do that, I'm going to just blend it like this. So guys, you can just see that I left some air. Then I'm down here at the cupid bow. I start blending the outer corner of my under eye area. I'm not dragging the concealer, I'm just tapping it into the under eye area. In case you want something very light, if you want your under eye area to be extremely light, you can decide to add a concealer that is more lighter, that is 2 shade, because I'm using the concealer that is a shade lighter than my skin tone to highlight the under eye area. So these techniques I'm teaching today, when you are done, immediately you are through blending your concealer, you go into the powder straight and set your under eye area. I mean it. That's with that you can see the concealer went dry into the skin. You can see there's no cracking in between. So after that, I'm going to be using this blossom powder. I'm going to be using it to highlight my under eye area. And for the contouring of my nose, I went into the Alabama face palette. I used the darker shade in it, that is a shade darker than my skin, to contour my cheekbone area, my forehead, and the side of my nose. Then I went into the Alabama palette again. I tapped into the lightest shade just to add more brown under my eye area. So after that, I went into the blossom powder just to set up the whole of my face. I'm going to be using this concealer again. The same concealer that I used to highlight my under eye area. I'm going to use it to blend my crease area and my eyelid. Blending it with this my blending brush. After that, I went into my eyeshadow palette and tapped into the deeper shade of brown just to blend my crease area and the outer corner of my eyelid. So after blending my crease area, I went straight into the same shadow palette and tapped my brush into the pink shade, then start applying it on my eyelid. So next, after I'm done with the pink eyeshadow, I went into this lighter shade of brown again and used that to blend the whole of my crease area and the outer corner of my eye all together. Next, I move into the eyelining. So for me, I'm using this matte liquid liner for my eyelining. After lining my lid area, I went to my waterline area and used this Cara gel liner to line my waterline area. So after that, I went into the same shadow that I used to blend my crease area, then I apply it under my waterline area. Making my under eye area with this Estelin. Next, I went into my brow, then I start using the brow tamer just to blend my brow up. You can just see I'm blending my brow up with the brow tamer. Then after that, I use the tail of my brush just to flatten in the brow. Then after that, I went into the Airspun just to set that area up so it won't be creasing. Next, I'm going to be using this David's brow pencil, and before you use that, make sure you sharpen your pencil very well and make sure it is well pointed before you start using it on your brow so it won't be blurring. So what you are trying to shape, the brow that you are trying to shape out, it will be able to come out nice on time. After shaping out my brow, I went into the spotting brush again and used it to blend the inner corner of my brow. So next, I went into the concealer. I'm using the Adventure, the same shade that I used to highlight my under eye area. That's what I'm using to define my brow bone. You can see. So next, after that, I'm going to be using the Airspun setting powder again just to set that part. Next, I move on to my lip. So here I'm using the Vaseline Rose Lip Balm just to moisturize my lip. So next I went into the lip color, but I forgot to write out the name of the lip color. So next I'm gonna be using this color just to highlight the outer corner of my lip. And after applying my lip color, so I went straight into the lash. Then I fixed my first lashes. You can just see how the lash is looking so good on me. Then I went to the second side. I fixed the second one the same way I did to the other one. Woo, just look at everything. I'm feeling the lashes already. So next after that, I tap into the glitter or shadow. I tap into it, then drop it at the tear dot of my eye. So next I'm gonna be blending the whole of my face all together, mixing these colors together. Spray it. I'm going to be applying a bit of gloss on my lip by using this Absolute lip gloss. Wow. So wow. Wow. This is hot, guys. Ooh. I'm here to apply the bronzer on myself. I will go for this. Nigerian beauty brands are now performing so well. So I love this powder, Alabama. I love your powder. Keep it up, okay? Ooh, flawless. Ooh. This is what they call flawless beauty. Flawless. And the Super Stain, Maybelline Super Stain really did it well. I combined the two foundations together. The Vee Beauty, I combined the Vee Beauty foundation and the Maybelline foundation. I combined these two shades together, and it's able to give me this wonderful look.